my name's Sasha and today I want to show you how to make these moon-shaped sun catchers. For this project you'll need some wire, some beads and some pliers and some wire cutters. There are two different ways of doing this and I'll show you both of them today. This one you put two bends in the wire and then you join it together here. This one you put one bend in the wire and you join it here. I'll show you this one first and then this one. Some wire and some pliers, and you're just gonna find the middle, so about there, and you're gonna hold this side down and bend the wire like that so that the curves come at the same direction. And then you just squeeze this shut a bit, bend it round a bit, and then you can get, if you want a really thick moon, you'll have to do it like that. If you want a thinner one, you can join them like that, and then you just get some wire and go around to join these two together. Okay, I've joined it here and I've done one spiral, and I'll do another spiral here. Just get some round nose pliers and start it off like that, and then you can twist it with your fingers if the wire isn't too tough. There we go, just bring it back, twisting it toward the other one. There we go, little half moon, and then I just put some more spirals inside just to strengthen the inside of it. Okay, I've added some spirals and I've reinforced it here with the wire, and I've finished this one. And now you can add beads, hang some beads down, and we'll move on to the next kind. For this kind, you get a long piece of wire and you put two bends, and then you bend them here, and then you can join them there and there. This is quite a lot stronger than the other one because you get to make this little thing here that makes it a lot stronger. Okay, I've done these ones hanging down and I've put little spirals at the bottom, and now I'm just putting more in the middle. I'm going to put some more beads to make it look pretty and also strengthen it. And this is how they turned out. I added these beautiful beads and they're all done. Please like and subscribe for more projects.